Work harder. Stay later. Don't get scooped. Publish or perish. Don't sensationalize, but do. Climb the ladder quickly.
Hold on. Is this a research culture in which you want to spend the rest of your life? No? Then change it. We scientists play a huge role in shaping the world. But as it stands, we do very little to shape the culture in which we work. Research culture affects our everyday lives, our relationships with our colleagues, and ultimately the quality of the science that we do. It's important. How will we begin the change? At the We Scientists 2035 workshops, we will ignite a constructive discussion on changing research culture. We'll establish the first steps in our journey towards this change. We will motivate each other to shape our own institution's research culture. Join us on the 7th of February 2019 for the We Scientists 2035 Day at the University of Lausanne.